This is usually how my morning starts. With Sugar like begging me to come up. And then he's gonna go here. Okay, so good morning, you guys. I literally just woke up. Okay, so I just opened the curtains so that you guys can have some light. This is literally every single morning. Hi, baby. He literally does that every single morning. Come here. So I'll tell him to come up. And then we'll cuddle for a bit. Little cutie. Oh, my baby, my baby. I'll massage his ears. He sleeps in his little bed down there. Oh, you want me to keep going? Oh, okay. Okay, so good morning, you guys. I know I look kind of rough right now. I literally just woke up, but I decided to film a real as fuck morning routine. Now, I'm gonna explain to you what that means. I literally last night before I went to bed left my vlog camera on my night table so that I could pick it up as soon as I woke up and vlog my real morning for you guys. So I always do morning routines. But let's be real, they're always like, sorry, I know, like, but this is just real, like I literally sleep naked. I always do morning routines, but like, let's be real, I'm never fake. Like, let's keep it 100 here. I'm never fake, but on morning routine videos and stuff like that, they're always like, let's be real, they're with the most professional camera. They're always like prepped and primed, like everything looks all pretty and perfect and stuff, and it's not always like that. My morning routine is still pretty much standardly like the same, but it's not always that prepped and primed and perfect, you know what I mean, with the perfect lighting and everything like that. So I figured, why not keep it like more raw and real and pick up my vlog camera and really show them exactly like every single thing I do in the morning, just more raw style, more like vlog real. This is what I'm looking at right now. Hello. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I think that's gonna be really fun. So yeah, the first thing I do when I wake up, which I already did, that's the only thing I'm not keeping real, I already did, was just take my phone out of the charger and start going on my phone, but I literally was only on there for a little bit. So the only thing I do is scroll through my phone, and the first thing I always do is look through my emails, because I'm like addicted to, you know, gotta make sure the business emails get answered, okay girl? And then I'll go on like Twitter, and then I'll go on Instagram. I need like some warming up before I get to Instagram, because Instagram can be a lot, you know? So I'll go on Twitter first. And my phone is always on Do Not Disturb, by the way. Like every single night before bed, I always put on Do Not Disturb. And most of the times, let's be real, I'll keep it there for the rest of the day and the rest of my life. So there's that. Okay, so like you guys saw on my phone, it's 9:32, which I do normally wake up at 9:30 in the morning. And just so you guys know, I usually wake up at 7 every single morning to take Sugar out to pee and to feed him. So don't worry about Shuggy. So I do wake up every single morning at 7, 8, like around 7 a.m. Not like exact, but like around 7 a.m. ish, to take Sugar pee and to feed him, because he has a really sensitive stomach. Pretty much what happens is he has to eat frequently, because if he doesn't eat frequently, then a lot of gas builds up on the lining of his stomach, and it literally like burns him. Like he'll cry and it really hurts him. So now what we do, we tested this out like a few months ago, is we split his dinner. Like he eats dinner at 5, and then we split his dinner into 2. So he eats half of his dinner at 5, and then the other half at like 8, 9 before bed, you know? And ever since we did that, perfect. He hasn't had any stomach problems. He hasn't had any like burning, any stomach aches, nothing. It's like the perfect routine for him. I guess he just can't go too long without eating, you know? I mean, he's like his mom. Foodie. Okay, so normally, like I said, I will still be laying down here in my bed, in the dark. By the way, I just opened up these curtains for the purpose of the video. Normally I'm still laying down in the dark until like, I'll keep it real, until like 10 o'clock usually. Like I'll normally lay down for like half an hour. All I see on my Twitter is this as soon as I wake up in the morning, and like, hello, I'm Reezy. Thank you for the motivation. Thank you, girl. Okay, so on the agenda today, I am going to film a playing with new makeup video. I have so much new makeup that I'm really excited for that I need to play with. Guess it's time to get up. Even though I'm sitting up right now, I'm normally laying down, like avoiding getting up. Okay, anyways, time to get up. Okay, so I'm dressed now. I decided to put this shirt on instead, and I don't have a bra on because I never wear a bra, like never. It's no wonder my tits are saggy as hell because I never wear a bra. So there's that. Live footage of Sugar stalking the neighbors. By the way, I just gotta say it because I know some people are gonna be like, this isn't your real morning routine. Where's your boyfriend at? Well, my boyfriend goes to work at 7:30 every morning, must you know. Okay, anyways, the first thing I'm gonna do, let me just close my closet door. I normally will go into the bathroom. I normally never open the light. What am I doing? I was supposed to open the light. Never do that. It's like too much in the morning. Now I'm gonna turn on the faucet and brush my teeth. How am I gonna get this angled here? There we go. Water on. This is not my favorite toothpaste, by the way. I picked up the wrong one time, and now I've been like stuck using it for like months or weeks, whatever. Okay, time to wash my face. Serum. Lately I've been so lazy to put on eye cream, but today I'm gonna do it so I can feel fancy. Deodorant. This is the one that I absolutely love. Not sponsored. Secret, sponsor your girl. Vitamin E. Every morning I put on vitamin E on my lips. Ooh, I should have exfoliated my lips because I'm doing a makeup tutorial today. That's okay, I'll exfoliate them later because I already put this vitamin E on. Yeah, I'll exfoliate them later. So now is where I'll make my bed. I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly do that now. Okay, there you go. So that's how I make the bed, you guys. I don't fully make it. I just like pull up the bed sheets and like fix the sheets underneath and get it all, you know, not messy again. But I don't fully make it because I always feel like there's like no point in fully making your bed because I'm literally gonna be back here in like, what, how many hours? Like 12 hours, whatever. You know, so there's like no point in making it, but at the same time I always just feel good with it not being messy, you know. And fun fact about me, let me close my closet door. Fun fact about me, I cannot sleep in an unmade bed. So I can't properly fall asleep unless the bed sheets are like made and done. The sun is popping today. Ooh, hello sun. Goodbye sun. Whew, the sun just burnt my eyes. Okay, so now I'll normally grab my water, which I keep by my bedside every single night. Grab my phone, the water, and start heading downstairs to eat because I'm always super hungry in the morning. Okay, so once I've head downstairs, the first thing I do is dump out my water bottle, which I already did. I forgot to turn on the camera, but I'll always dump out the water from the night before and put new water. What's he doing back there? And the first thing I'll do, like literally, I'm like a fish, even though fish don't drink water, else they would die because they would drink up their own living space, whatever. Anyways, first thing I do is drink my water. I love it. So since I am filming today, I like to make sure that the dishes and everything is like clean so that I can focus on filming. I'm generally not a messy person, so my house is usually pretty clean. And usually the dishes, what I do is I put dirty dishes as soon as we're done using them, they go right into the dishwasher. So I don't really put dirty dishes in the sink, they go into the dishwasher. But sometimes like at night, like late at night, if you know, I'm having like a snack or something, or I just made something late at night at like 10, a lot of the times I'll get lazy and just it goes in the sink. So sometimes in the morning there's a couple of dishes, which there is right now in the sink, that I have to put away. So I'll normally do that because I just like everything to not be messy, you know what I mean? So let me just put this down. So now I'm gonna make breakfast, and I'm really sad because I finished all of my Protein World pancakes yesterday, and those are like my absolute favorite. So the only thing I can make is some bacon and eggs real quick. So that's just what I'm gonna do. Okay, so normally what I like to do is put on some Netflix while I make breakfast and eat breakfast, but because I'm filming today, I never want to go to the couch because then I feel like I'll just get like, I want to stay there. So I'll just watch Netflix on my phone. Right now I'm watching The Fosters, and I'm on season 4.
And himself, you got him to put that gun down.
So I'm gonna watch that and make some bacon and eggs. I got my bacon cooking. It's almost done. And I have my eggs, which I added 2 egg whites and like half of a yolk. And I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper too.
Or have a bad session with the patient because there are plenty of those.
So here's breakfast, which looks really plain. We don't have any fruit in the house, which sucks. Normally when I have fruit in the house, I like to put some on the side here. But, yummy. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this while I watch The Fosters.
I just didn't bring it up. I'm so excited about getting out. Let's get in the place together. Who wants to be a firefighter?
Okay, what do you want?
I don't want to hurt Mike. But then I feel like it's worse for my brother, you know?
Okay, so also lately I've been taking vitamins, which I never used to, but for the past like month I have been. So these are the omega-3 fish oil vitamins and the women's multivitamin. So I'm gonna take 2 of these and 2 of these. They are so big, these pills, you guys, like they are huge. But you can fit 2 of them if you just drink like a lot of water. It's like a struggle every morning. There we go. Now normally I'll refill my water again. So since I am filming today, I need to do my hair because like I said, I haven't done it, and I washed it like Sunday and it's Wednesday. Look how crazy I look. I washed it Sunday and it's Wednesday. You guys know I only wash my hair once a week, usually every Sunday, and I have not touched it since I washed it. So I might need to put some dry shampoo, I'm not sure. Look at how crazy my hair is, you guys. Oh, crazy. So I'm just using the Swiffer and picking up all the hairs. This is gonna be a lot going down.
All those prescriptions fit in with some of my friends.
Okay, so I decided not to do straight waves. I just kind of decided to keep it straight today, you know? So my hair is done, and now pretty much what I'm gonna do is pick out what I'm gonna wear in the video. Yeah, but I think before I do that, I should pick out what products I'm gonna use so that that's already done. Oh, my baby. I love you. So yeah, I'm just gonna go pick out what products I'm gonna use. For now, I'm gonna put my hair out of the way. So let's head into the beauty studio so that I can choose what products I'm gonna use today. So this is my new product section. So since today I'm gonna be filming a playing with new makeup video, I'm gonna come here and see what new makeup I wanna use. I actually have more downstairs, the new ABH Sultry palette, but I really wanna use these. That's why I set them aside. Okay, so I finished choosing what products I'm gonna use. Now I just need to pick a shirt that I'm gonna wear for the video, and I really wanna exfoliate my lips right now, so that's what I'm gonna do. Now I need some vitamin E again. And that feels so much better. Okay, so it's time to go in the closet and see what I am going to wear. So I can't really show you guys what's over here because I'm going to be showing you that in an upcoming haul. But I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I'll literally like spend forever in here just trying to decide what to wear. I don't know if I feel like wearing nude. Okay, I kind of want to wear this really cute like cropped corduroy jacket that I got from Boohoo. But I kind of want to wear it with like a nice dark gray underneath, but I don't really have like, I love this bodysuit so much, but I want to wear, I wish I had this in like a dark gray. So the only thing that I kind of have is this, but this top is really tight on me and I don't know if it's going to be flattering, you know, so I don't know, I might see, but I feel like this looks really cute, no? Like, I feel like that looks cute. Super cute. Yeah, let me just try to wear this. Yeah, this is from Pretty Little Thing, by the way. Cutest top ever, but I got it in a 4. Man, it is snug. But I did lose like 4 pounds since I last wore this, so it might be better on me now. And I mean, you might be thinking 4 pounds, Amy, but 4 pounds on a 5'1" girl is like 10 pounds. So I need to get pumped up for filming. So we're gonna put on some music. Okay, I had to pause the music so I can show you guys. So I'm about to film right now, and this is my little remote thingy, which I love so much because I can just turn on my lights like this. Come on, don't fail me now. And the one up top. And then this one doesn't set up to a remote, so I have to put this one on myself. And by the way, so we can check in on the time, it is 11:43, so the morning is pretty much done. I took so long getting ready. Okay, so you know what would be cool? Do you guys want to see what my setup would look like without any studio lights except the ring light, because that one's not set up on the remote and I'm not gonna get up. So let's just show you without my 3-point lighting. Let me show you what it would look like. So we're gonna turn it all off. So let's turn it back on. Let's turn on that one, this one, and that one. Thank you. So let me know if you guys want a filming tour in-depth kind of video, because I can tell you guys exactly what lighting I use, why I use it, why I put my setup the way I do. And yeah, that's it. I'm pretty much going to start filming now. Okay, you guys, so I just finished filming and I ended up putting a little bit of wave in my hair because I kind of just felt like it, you know. Anyways, yeah, I kind of just wanted to come here and end off this video. Like I said, I just finished filming and it's like 1 o'clock now, so the morning is done. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I just thought it would be super fun to take you guys with me throughout my entire morning, like vlog style. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.